Okay, here's a simple demonstration of the pure unison, pure interval test. So basically, you're checking your intervals, you're checking your tuning, and you're looking for intervals that should be pure. And the stretch interval set says we have a lot of intervals that should be pure. For example, you could take, let's say, this C and this G. That's a 12th. So let's play it. This is not pure. You can hear there's all kinds of rumbling and beating, and it just doesn't sound like a nice, clean, solid interval.
The pure unison, pure interval procedure is built upon these simple ideas. The purity of an interval depends on the purity of its unisons. If your unisons are not pure, you cannot have any pure intervals. Also this idea. If an interval does not sound pure, there are two possible reasons. Number one, the interval is not pure. In other words, the beat tests are not equal. Or, the unisons are not pure. If an interval does not sound pure, check the unisons. If the unisons are pure, that means the interval isn't, and the beat rates are not equal. Check the beat rates again.
So the first thing you do is you check each note for clean unisons. And if you can't hear, if you're still not at the level to be able to hear a clean unison, you can always do the single string test. Single string, unison, not good. So then you would do the pair compare to find out which string is out. Left pair, right pair. The right pair is definitely worse, so we're going to fix that. And then the left pair, right pair. Now the left one sounds a little bit out. So that's a lot better. And then the G, not clean. So check the left two. Check the right two. The right two definitely more out of tune. Fix the right string. Left two. Left two is not good now. Okay, that's better. Now that unisons are clean, we play the interval again. No, I don't like that. So now we're going to play the check intervals. This is not a pure 12th, so the check intervals will tell us. So check intervals confirm pure intervals when they beat the same speed. So this top one is obviously slower, and I'll filter that and insert it here so that you can hear. So the top one's slower, so we have to raise it. We're going to do a double string unison raise. Raise one string. Then the other. Maybe it's too much. So now they sound the same. But they might not be, because our ears are not good at hearing those beat rates. The proof is if the 12th is clean. I'm going to insert the previous sound of the 12th so you can hear the difference between this one and the other one. So that is the pure unison, pure interval procedure for confirming pure unisons, which are the number one element of a good tuning that you need. And more ways of confirming that your unisons are pure and preventing their impureness from getting by you, the better your tuning will be. And so the pure interval, pure unison procedure is just another tool in your tool bag to help you catch those unisons that are trying to get by you. Hope that helps.